New Flyer in its recent history has been around since 1988. A man by the name of Jan Donaldson founded the company up in Winnipeg, Manitoba. And he had a vision that he wanted to be the largest builder of Metro Transit buses in North America. And he transformed this one plant in Winnipeg, Manitoba into an operation that now encompasses 3 plants, one in Winnipeg, one in Crookston, Minnesota, and one in St. Cloud. He achieved his goal of being the largest builder of Metro Transit buses in North America. Right now we've got about 37% of the market share, and 1 out of every 5 buses on the road in North America is a New Flyer bus. Well, what you're going to see is a start-to-finish bus build here at New Flyer. We start with metal parts coming in the back door, and we transform those through our weld shop into a frame. And the weld shop is a very fast-paced production environment. What they do is they take these parts, they put them into fixtures so that we build the frame the same way every time. And we build 3 frames a day. And we also build carbon steel frames and also stainless steel frames. Some of our customers in the past have asked for stainless steel. So about 1 year ago we started building that as a response to the demand of our customers. So right now about half of our frames are stainless and half of them are carbon steel. The advantage of a stainless steel frame is that it will hold up better under the elements. In our paint shop, paint is very important to our customers, as you can imagine. They want a good quality paint job that's going to last them for years. So it's very important that we prep the metal and prep the areas properly. And we want to make sure that that paint job is going to be one that is going to hold up under all the different elements that Mother Nature can throw at it, from heat to cold and so forth. So we have to have people that are skilled in what they do. Electrical is a very important part of our build process. Many of the components are electrical. You've got GPS units, you've got wheelchair ramps, you have cameras, and also the drive of the entire engine is run through the electrical area. So we have to make sure that we have skilled, qualified people to work on that electrical area in order to make sure that the bus runs this time, every time, and make sure that it's a good quality product for our customers. Quality is an important part of what we do here at New Flyer. Each person is responsible for their own quality, but we also have a string of leadership, from team leaders to supervisors to superintendents, that watch over the quality. We also have a quality assurance department. Quality assurance department basically looks over the shoulders to make sure that everybody is building the bus to the quality that we and our customers expect. Our company is certified to ISO 9001, but we're also, that's the quality standard. We're also certified to 14001, which is an environmental standard. We're also certified to 18001, which is the safety standard. So all 3 of those together make us build a very quality, a very consistent bus every time. The great thing about New Flyer is that at the end of the day, you can look out in the backyard and you can see these buses that are built for most major cities in North America. Right now we're building for Las Vegas, for Chicago, for Boston, and for Ottawa, Ontario. And it gives me a great deal of pride to see that those buses are going to be used in those markets. Also, what's nice to see is the city of St. Cloud has New Flyer buses in their fleet as well. It gives myself and all of the workers here a great deal of pride to see those buses. New Flyer is a good place to work because, for one thing, we've got good pay. We are one of the better paying organizations in the area. We do have excellent benefits. People start out with vacation pay, they get holiday pay. We also have good health care, short-term disability, long-term disability. And that's important to us, it's also important to the employees, and it's important to their families. Our 5 core operating principles are: number 1 is safety, number 2 is quality, number 3 is asset preservation, number 4 is customer service, and number 5 is continuous improvement. When people think about manufacturing, sometimes they think that it's mundane and that it's boring and that you come in and then you do the same thing every day. Here at New Flyer, there are a multitude of opportunities for people. One person may come in one day and they're working on an Ottawa bus. The next day they may be working on a Chicago, and the next day they may be working on one going to New York. And each bus is a little bit different, and it keeps people interested and it keeps them on their toes. And as such, people get a wide variety of work, and they find the work interesting and challenging. What differentiates us from our competition is our ability to build a bus that's custom made. Our customers come to us and they get to choose many of the options. They get to choose what kind of engine they get, what kind of seats they want, what kind of transmissions that they want, and all of those things together make it the bus that the customer wants.